In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for research. We will walk through how to get reliable, well-structured results that actually move your project forward. Whether you are working on a paper, a market scan, or a literature review, first, open Claude and start a new chat. Think of this as your research workspace. Right away, look for the plus button in the chat interface and select Web Search. This switches Claude into real-time discovery mode, so it can surface fresh sources, data points, and reports beyond its built-in knowledge. When you use Web Search, be specific about what you want surfaced: recent publications, authoritative institutions, or particular domains, so Claude prioritizes high-quality results. If you already have guiding questions, include them in your first message to frame the search. Next, take advantage of Claude's long context strength. Upload lengthy PDFs like academic papers, white papers, and reports, and ask for layered support. Start with a concise summary, then request a synthesis across documents, and finally ask for thematic analysis that highlights patterns, contradictions, and gaps. You can also have Claude map key arguments, pull out important figures, and trace how findings evolved across sections. If a file is dense, ask for section-by-section notes and a final executive brief. Make your process iterative. Don't settle for the first pass. Ask Claude to dive deeper on claims, provide concrete examples, compare methodologies, or simulate opposing views so you can pressure test conclusions. Request that it mark uncertainties or assumptions and refine the output accordingly. Iteration turns a decent answer into a strong, defensible one. When prompting for research, provide rich context. Explain your goal, audience, constraints, and what counts as a good answer. You can define a persona try, act as a senior researcher, and specify the desired format, such as an outline, an annotated bibliography, a table of findings with sources, or a step-by-step plan. Clear instructions yield structured, reusable outputs. Finally, verify with citations. Use the research feature to generate references. Then check that every citation exists and directly supports the claim it's attached to. Open the sources, scan abstracts or relevant sections, and ensure page numbers, dates, and quoted figures match. If anything looks off, ask Claude to replace or remove the reference and tighten the evidence chain. Verification is what turns AI-generated drafts into trustworthy research. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.